Hello, this is Scott Ricky here. What's it? Fireworks. Boom boom, bam bam, bam bam, bam boom bam bam, bam bam, boom bam bam boom boom, bam bam boom, bam bam boom, bam bam boom, bam bam boom, bam boom, bam boom bam boom, bam boom bam boom. Explosions, boom, now it's disappeared. Oh my god, dude, that's so weird. Oh my god, where'd it go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What's that white thing? I do not know. Where did the fireworks go? There's no more fireworks. Fire does not work anymore. Oh, why is there no fireworks? Why is there no fireworks? Oh my god. Just don't know, see me? Fireworks. Fireworks disappeared. So it's gonna be the end of the video. Quick video, only 1 minute and 12 seconds. Well, now it's about 5 minutes. Okay. There's no more fireworks. So we're gonna end the video. Oh, this one. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Boom! That was a big one. That was a big one, alright, man. What? Where's that coming from? I did not see that. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? Okay, it's disappeared now. What? There's still smoke from the... Damn it, these people there. First up is Halloween. It's past Halloween, babe. So, since there's no fireworks, we're gonna end the video like a pro. So, guys, remember to punch that like button right in the face if you enjoyed. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.